Now this is another random question. We are asked to calculate 111 open bracket 110 plus 11 all in binary numbers, meaning that we should do the calculation. It doesn't matter if we really want to do the calculation in binary or not, but our final answer must be a binary number. Now there are many ways you can do this. You can either decide to convert to base 10, which is the common base, the one we're comfortable with, we use every day, solve and then convert back to base 2. So let's just solve it the two different ways. I'm going to solve first of all, which personally I will solve this question straight in base 2, or you might wish to change to base 10 and then convert back to base 2. So let's do everything together and see which one is faster. Alright, so using BODMAS, I'm going to simplify the one in the bracket. So I'm going to have 110 plus 11 in base 2. Alright, so 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, but in base 2 we can't write 2. How many 2 is inside 2? We have 1, remainder 0. Nothing will be left, right? So write the remainder 0 and carry 1. So this is going to be 1 plus 1 again, which is 2. 1 remainder 0, but since nowhere to carry the 1, we're just going to write 1 0. So adding what is in the bracket, we have 1 0 0 1 base 2. So the last step now is to multiply. So we have our answer 1001. I'm going to multiply with 111 because that's what the bracket means. Do your normal multiplication, right? This is 1 times 1. So actually, see that 1 multiplying everything will just be the same. So this will be 0 0 1, another 1 0 0 1, another 1 0 0 1. All right. So just add. Now in your addition, remember the rules of addition. You just bring down this one. 0 plus 1 is 1. 0 plus 0 plus 1 is another 1. 1, that's just 1. And that's just 1. And that's just 1. So this is as simple as whatever you can think of. So that's just the answer. 6 1. 6 ones, alright, in base 2. And that's the answer. What if someone wanted to convert everything to base 10? So let's start with 1 1 1 base 2 to base 10. Now let me show you a simple trick. Since this is base 2, go this way. Start from this first one. 1 times 2 is 2. You add this next one. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. Add the next one. 6 plus 1 is 7. So this will be 7 base 10. We've converted. So the next number there is 1 1 0 base 2. Start again with this one. 1 times the base 2 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 plus 0 is still 6. So that will give us 6 base 10. The next one is 1 1 base 2. Alright. We start again. 1 times 2 is 2. And then 2 plus 1 is just 3. 3 base 10. So let's do the calculation. So that, rewriting it now, we have 7 bracket 6 plus 3. Alright. Which is the same thing as 7 times 6 plus 3 is 9. And 7 times 9 is what? 7 times 9 is 63. This is in base 10. Now let's convert 63 back to base 2. So 63 to base 2, you know how to do that. We just divide, writing our remainder down each time. 2 into 6 is 3. 2 into 3 is 1, remainder 1. Let's go again. 2 into 3 is 1, remainder 1. Into 11 now is 5, remainder 1. 2 into 15 is 7, remainder 1. 2 into 7 is 3, remainder 1. 2 into 3 is 1, remainder 1. And 2 into 0 is 0, remainder 1. Remember, you take your answer from bottom to top. So our answer is going to be, no need of writing it out, you can clearly see is 1 1 1 6 times.